What's good in the hood, man? Joms here. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I talk a lot about men's personal development, mainly when it comes to dating and relationships. And I'm one of the best ones out here sa Philippines. So kung nakita mo tong channel na to, subscribe ka lang at i-on mo na din yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga i-release ko pang gems kung paano lalakas ang dating mo sa babae bilang isang lalaki. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin the 6 ways on how to make women obsessively attached to a man. Bago mo panoorin yung buong video na to, i-promise mo muna sa akin na gagamitin mo lahat ng sasabihin ko sa video na to sa mabuti. I don't want you to hurt and destroy a woman's life. Kasi kung ginawa mo yon, babalik lang din yan sa dating pool and alam naman natin kung ano ugali ng mga babaeng maraming bagahe. So promise me, cross your heart, gamitin mo lang to sa mga babaeng you genuinely like at hindi para manira ng buhay. So, before tayo magsimula, i-plug ko lang, I created a on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers in which you will learn my method on how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons little by little hanggang sa ma-in love sila sa'yo using momentum-based attraction. So, kung ikaw ay palaging na-friend zone, nababasted, nare-reject at natutorpe, sure akong makakatulong sa'yo yan. Balik na tayo sa topic. So, the first way that makes a woman obsessively attached to a man is number 1, is being selective. Ibig sabihin, meron kang standards at qualifications beyond looks when trying to date women. Now, paano naging obsessed yung babae dito? Mapupunta tayo doon in a while because most men walang standards when they are trying to choose a woman. Yung mga torpe, pipiliin lang yung mga babae kasi yun lang yung babaeng nagbigay sa kanila ng attention. Yung mga fuckboy naman, basta may pepe at maganda, laban na. Wala silang pake sa personality, sa character, sa beliefs, at kung aligned ba yung babae sa kanila. There's a saying na be careful where you put your dick because one wrong woman can destroy your kingdom. When you have real standards and qualifications sa pagpili ng babae, every woman that you will be dating will feel that she has to win you over. Kasi may standards ka eh. Hindi ka agad completely sold sa kanya. The number one fantasy of a woman is to tame the beast. They like that kind of tension. Kung magbabasa ka ng mga erotic novels na ginawa for women, magsisimula lagi yung kwento na parang imposible, pero merong slight chance na magustuhan ng lalaki yung babae. And that alone makes them hook para tapusin yung 500 pages na libro. So kung ikaw, you make her feel na pasok na siya agad sa standards mo dahil lang maganda siya or binigyan ka niya ng konting attention, wala na siyang kailangan gawing effort. Hindi na siya makakaramdam ng attraction kasi wala nang tension. When you have qualifications, you can now say no. Meron ka ng boundaries. You are now more selective. Which means she feels like she has to win you over. So, next tayo. The second thing that will make a woman obsessively attached to a man is having this idea of the possibility of commitment. Okay? The possibility na mag-commit ka sa kanya, not the guarantee. Again, ulitin natin. Women are obsessed with the idea of the possibility of commitment, not the guarantee of you committing. Sa Tagalog, mas na-obsess yung babae sa lalaking kapag napapaisip siya kung may possibility ba na magko-commit yung lalaki sa kanya. Instead of the guy giving her the guarantee na magko-commit ka sa kanya. So bakit ba nangyayari to? Women want the full fantasy experience. Walang erotic or romantic novel na nagsimula yung kwento na patay agad yung lalaki sa kanya. The most sensitive sexual organ of a woman is her brain. The more you can make her think about you, feel something about you, and imagine things about you, the more na mas lalalim yung attraction niya sa'yo. And one of the things that you can do is giving her the feeling of uncertainty. If walang guarantee na magko-commit ka sa kanya, she will be wondering about you and your relationship. Marami ng what ifs yung tatakbo sa utak niyan. Pipiliin niya ba ako or hindi? Ba't kaya hindi pa niya ako nililigawan? Ba't kaya di pa niya ako binibembang? Gusto niya ba ako or hindi? That's why it's really important to screen women who enter your life. Okay? Instead of instantly committing. Make sure kilalanin nyo yung babae beyond her looks. Okay? Bago mo sabihin na mahal mo na siya. Okay? Kasi yung iba, mahal na agad, hindi pa nga kilala yung babae. This screening makes her chase your approval kapag ini-screen mo siya. In which it will drive her wild because she will think and think more about you. In that way, you are sparking her curiosity and attraction. That's why sobrang importante na malaman mo yung biological triggers ng babae when it comes to attraction. I made a on-demand video program for that called Attraction Inertia Triggers, in which you will learn my method on how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons little by little hanggang sama in love sila sa'yo using momentum-based attraction. 1,000 at mahigit na yung gumamit ng method ko na yan. Marami sa kanila may girlfriend na. Mababasa mo yung testimonials nila. Pwede mo i-check sa description box. Click mo lang yung link. So, next balik tayo sa topic. So, the third thing that makes women obsessively attached to a man is making your attention a high value resource. Now, before I get to the point nung pangatlong yan, meron kasi akong nakikitang discussions online na sinasabing, focus on yourself. Kapag meron ka ng pera, kotse, at status, you can treat women like shit and then they will still want you. Okay? Hindi yun totoo. Okay? Hindi totoo yun. Don't treat women around you poorly. Treat good women well, then wag mo pansinin yung mga toxic na babae. Yun lang. Now, when it comes to giving your attention to women, ang key dito is making it so good na hanap-hanapin nila. Kumbaga parang droga yung attention mo. Nakaka-addict. Masarap yung high pag natikman nila. Pero mahirap makuha. So yung attention mo dapat hindi mo binibigay lahat sa babae. It should be given in a measured dosage. So parang droga lang talaga. Because scarcity creates value. For example, sa Rolex, kung pupunta ka sa mga physical stores nila, palaging out of stock yung mga model na mahal. Kailangan mo pang pumila or magpalista sa waitlist nila. So, that creates scarcity. And if merong scarcity, mas rare yung isang bagay. Kapag mas rare ang isang bagay, mas mataas yung value. Louis Vuitton din. Kung palaging available yung stock sa mga bags nila and everyone can get it kung kailan nila gusto, hindi tataas yung value niyan. So, paano ba yung gagawin mo to make your attention high value? Okay? Only give her enough attention. Walang may gusto ng overly available na product. The key here is you need to treat women exceptionally well in your presence whenever magkasama kayo ng babae. Make sure you are fully present with her. Di ka nagpo-phone, nasa kanya lang yung attention mo, you flirt with her, pinaparamdam mo na babaeng-babae siya kapag kasama ka niya. So, you lead, di na niya kailangan mag-isip, ang kailangan na lang niya gawin is magpaganda at landiin ka. So, you want to provide that kind of great experience with her. Kailangan maramdaman niya that she has this strong connection with you na hindi na niya ma-imagine na makukuha pa niya to sa ibang mga lalaki. Okay? And you can only do that by being present in the moment during your dates. Hindi ka nag-overthink kung paano matatapos yung date. Tipong nasa utak mo lang ikaw palagi kasi iniisip mo na agad yung kasunod na date. Alam mo yon? So whenever you are in the date, you should be centered in the moment, in the present moment. You are fully present, hindi lumilipad yung isip mo. Yun yung tinatawag na being grounded. Kapag grounded ka, hindi lumilipad yung isip mo, you will give the purest form of attention. At yung purest form of attention na yun is yun yung pinaka-nakaka-addict sa babae. Because women are security-seeking creatures. Nung unang panahon, once upon a time, kapag nawala sa kanila yung attention ng tribo, meaning nun, di sila mabibigyan ng pagkain, di sila mapoprotektahan from the predators and shit. Kumbaga, pag walang attention, matik, dead sila, patay sila. That's why addict na addict sila sa attention. Okay? In the right levels. They always want to be seen. Now, to make your attention worth something, again, sa sinabi ko kanina, you want to add scarcity. Hindi dapat palaging available yung attention mo. So, after your date, kapag di na kayo magkasama pag hindi na kayo magkasama, you pull back. Okay? You pull back. Pull back. That's the only way to make it worth something is to pull back your attention and do some other things in your life. Kasi yung ibang lalaki after ng date, todo bigay pa rin ng attention. Tumatawag, araw-araw pa mag-text, ayaw matapos yung usapan, making their attention overly available, which makes it less valuable. Kasi again, the more na scarce yung product, mas mataas yung value. The more na mas available yung product, mas less yung value. So, yung iba naman, nagpo-pull back to manipulate or to play games. So, if you are pulling back, make sure that you have shit to do. In that way, hindi ka nagmamanipulate. Okay? Kumbaga, meron kang mga business tasks na kailangan gawin. Meron kang career na binubuo. Kailangan mo pumunta ng gym. Meron ka din mga pangarap. Alam mo yun? Meron kang mission, may sarili kang mission. Meron ka ding relationship with your mom and your family. You just need to have a life. If meron kang sariling mundo, your attention is now more valuable kasi alam niyang hindi siya yung sentro ng mundo mo. Okay? So, next tayo. Ito, sobrang importante na malaman mo to because the fourth thing that will make a woman obsessively attached to a man is using space and silence in your favor. Tandaan nyo, tension breeds attraction. Maraming lalaki ngayon yung gustong hindi matapos yung usapan kasi di nila kayang magkaroon ng silence kasi feel nila maboboard yung babae. If you keep on talking, trying to eliminate silence, mafe-feel ng babae that you are scared of losing her. At kapag naramdaman niya yan, she know na nasa kanya na yung leverage ng dynamic nyo. So, pag ganun, kaya kanyang i-take advantage, tipong patatagalin niya muna yung panliligaw mo. Kasi alam naman niyang gagawin mo lahat para wag lang siya mawala. Not only that, for sure, mawawala din yung attraction niya kasi wala ng tension. So, when you use silence, kumbaga, okay lang sa'yo na merong few seconds or minutes of dead air, your words will hold more weight at mas makakaramdam siya ng tension. Kapag di ka takot sa silence, you are now creating this space to make her think about you. So, magsisimula na siya mag-isip or mag-overthink kung na-turn off ka ba sa kanya, may ginawa ba siyang mali, nawala na ba yung interest mo sa kanya. So, a lot of men thinks that women don't get nervous or wala silang social anxiety. And pupusta ako na mas nervyosa at mas mataas yung social anxiety niyan kaysa sa'yo. Lalo na when they are around the man they like. So, be the obvious choice. Be the man that they like. So, the more you make her think about you and the more you make her feel emotions, the more na mas lalalim yung attraction niya sa'yo. So, use silence and space in your favor. Now, this next thing for me, ito yung pinaka-effective. Okay? Kailangan mo malaman to. Ito yung pinaka-effective sa lahat. This fifth way. So, the fifth way that makes women obsessively attached to a man is by making her say yes to small commitments. Okay? By making her say yes to small commitments. When you are with a woman, kailangan makita ka niya as someone who can lead her. Kumbaga, nasa frame ka that you are the leader. Now, in order for you to create that kind of frame, kailangan mo malaman kung paano gumawa ng mga small commitments from her na mag-yes siya. So, ano ba itsura nun? For example, nagsamyup kayo. Sinabi mo sa kanya na ipagluto ka niya. Or another thing, for example, matagal na kayo nagde-date at pupunta siya sa bahay nyo. Sabihin mo sa kanya na ibili ka niya ng cheeseburger sa Jollibee. Or pwede sabihin mo, medyo masakit yung kamay mo kasi kakabuhat mo lang kahapon, magpapamasahe ka sa kamay. So, magpapamasahe ka sa kanya, sa kamay. Okay? So, it's just small commitments that make her submit, surrender, and follow your lead or do something for you. So now, women are natural helpers, okay? They are very nurturing and giving by nature. Kaya nga lahat na nakikita mong house helpers, mga healthcare workers or nurses, mga babae. So nararamdaman nila na babaeng-babae sila if they can do something to nurture and give. The more small commitments you can get, the more she will be seduced into your frame. Each yes niya sa micro commitment that depends, each yes niya sa micro commitments, it depends her investment in you. So now, hindi ito, kung inisip mo, hindi ito manipulation kasi if you genuinely like the girl and she genuinely likes you back, kumbaga may mutual desire, it's your job as the masculine to create these experiences where she can be in her feminine, where she can have the space to nurture and let the flow of love flows through her and everything in her space. Okay? And kung nagets nyo, sana nagets nyo yun. Medyo English, sinulat ko pa yun. So, yun. And lastly, number six, isa sa pinaka-paborito ko, the last thing that will make a woman obsessively attached to a man is to appreciate her more than her looks. So, halos lahat ng babae nasasabihan ng maganda. Okay? And gusto rin naman nilang nasasabihan na maganda sila. However, they don't want to be loved only for their looks. Gusto rin naman nila gusto nila maramdaman na may nakaka-appreciate ng personality nila, yung actions nila, yung behaviors nila. Basically, the traits beyond their looks. Kung ginusto mo lang yung babae based sa itsura niya, malalaman mo yon kapag after nyo magbimbangan, wala ka nang paki sa kanya. Okay? At mararamdaman din niya yon, then she will start to pull back. So make sure to be human focused, okay? Not sex focused. Be human focused. Praise her beyond her beauty kasi this builds a deeper bond and emotional connection that makes her want to stay. And that's six ways to make women obsessively attached to you. So kung na-enjoy mo tong video na to, for sure magustuhan mo din yung on-demand video program ko na Attraction Inertia Triggers. Just make sure lang, okay? Just make sure lang na gagamitin mo yung mga method ko sa mga babaeng gusto mo genuinely. Okay? Hindi sa mga babaeng nagandahan or na-attract ka lang or gusto mo lang itry. Kaya, kumbaga ako kasi kaya kong pumunta ng mall na hindi ko mabilang kung ilan babae yung nagandahan ako versus sa babaeng I genuinely like or meron akong genuine interest with. So, make sure to do what's good. Magkaroon ka ng standards beyond looks. So, na-enjoy ko tong, 10 minutes ba to? 10 minutes video? 15 minutes na ata. 15 minutes video na to. And I will see you on the next one. Let's go.